If you've been looking for a reason to finally finish your 3D character this year, here's a good one. Reallusion just opened their 2026 3D character contest, and I wanted to invite you personally since I'm one of the judges in this year's contest as well. I'm also officially co-hosting this contest inside my Discord community. The contest is open to everyone. There is over $45,000 in cash and prizes on the line from sponsors like Nvidia, Maxon, Unreal, and Unity. And it runs all the way to the end of August, so there is no rush and you've got time to do something proper. And here's a cool part of this whole contest. Every entry can start from a character creator base model that's already rigged and ready to go. So you're not fighting the setup, you're not dealing with retopology or anything like that, you're just focusing on making something that feels actually yours. From that point on is your pipeline. ZBrush, Blender, Maya, whatever you feel more comfortable with. There are 5 categories too, so you've got plenty of options. Whether you're into realistic or more stylized design, animation, there is even a category for the AccuRig side of things. And if the software cost is the thing that is being kind of like stopping you from doing this, look into the Portfolio Artist program. Qualified applicants get 3 months of the full suite for free, with new content packs dropping every couple of weeks. That's a real head start if you're building a portfolio. So go ahead and check out the contest page or jump straight into our Discord community. Post your progress in the dedicated channels, get feedback, and let's just go through the whole thing alongside everyone else instead of just, grinding away on your own. Honestly, that's where the fun is. I'll leave the contest page and the Discord links to join our community down below, so come and join the contest and let's build something with us. Cheers!